Good morning to all of you. So our TNAU, Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, was formed or established in the year 1971, and now we are slowly and steadily shifting from the conventional agriculture education, research and extension activities to e-mode of agriculture education, research and extension. And what are the initiatives we have already taken in TNAU, I will be presenting very briefly. And so the triple mandatives of the Tamil Nadu Agricultural University is education, research and extension. And right now this university is offering 12 undergraduate programs in the field of agriculture, horticulture, forestry, BE, agriculture engineering and BTech courses in various disciplines. And we also offer 6 diploma courses attached with various research institutions. And with regard to the e-agriculture education, so that is, we face several challenges in Indian agriculture. To meet these challenges, we have to develop the technical manpower, and so we have developed the e-learning courses for BSc Agriculture under the ICAR NALP scheme, NALP scheme, and video streaming of lectures by the undergraduate teachers was also taken up. And now we have introduced the online examination system, particularly in the mid-semester examination. So in this case, the students they can view the question paper in the examination hall only after the password is given by the examiner. And once the examination, that is the written part, is over, then a separate file will be maintained, and then the answer paper will be sent to the email ID of the teacher for further evaluation. And this system is also now being adopted in all the constituent colleges of our TNAU. And in the case of the e-learning, again in the e-room classroom, so we have provided with the notebook computers, Mac desktop, LCD presenter and public address system, and internet facilities also to enable the students for effective learning process. And the technology enhanced learning also, the that connectivity is also given to all the hostels of TNAU to enable the effective learning. Then e-learning lab also we have established in the main center as well as in Madurai Agriculture College, and now we are extending to all other constituent colleges of the TNAU. So we also given the video camera and the editing software in all the academic campuses. And the examination hall also, so they have been provided the UPS plug point and the Wi-Fi connectivity also in the examination hall. And again in the library facilities, online journals and workboarding library also, these facilities has also been created. And with regard to the technology, that is through this technology enhanced learning environment we have created in the field of education in an area of the e-learning, open coursework preparation, video streaming, e-assignment, e-communication, online examination and evaluation, e-classroom. Then in hostels also we have given the connectivity in examination halls and also the video conferencing. And as I said earlier the ADG, so the TNAU has taken the lead role in the open course materials development, and we have posted about 797 courses of 12 degree programs in TNAU website since 2003. And with regard to the BSc Agriculture, Coimbatore, that is main institute, the 104 courses, and Madurai 88 courses. Likewise, for all the disciplines and various constituent colleges, we have posted the materials, course materials in the website. And the NALP scheme on development of e-course materials for BSc degree program. So this program is also already started in January 2008 and is being continued up to December 2009. So the preparation of open coursework, and we have updated the website notes, and also video streaming also is already done. Then the hosting the national server and central server will be done only after the peer group evaluated the validities of these training materials. And video streaming of teachers' lecture presentations also now we have given for all the UG programs. And in this case you can have the PowerPoint presentation as well as the actual teacher presentation in the class, and also the text materials all in one. So this is as you can see, this is we have the PowerPoint presentation. You can give the materials here, and the relevant course materials presented directly by the course teacher, that will be projected here, and the text materials you can see here. So this is an example how this that is electronic system is exhibited, presented, and the relevant materials will also be similar in the case of botany courses. Then similar in the case of crop physiology, the Newton cycles. Then in the case of biochemistry. Then in the case of animal husbandry, the solar projection. Then in the case of agronomy, the fodder preservation, how these activities are that is explained in the way of the display key and silage marking. Then these are the courses we put in the website, and if you just click it, they are already what I said, so that will be displayed simultaneously in one slide. So then all examinations already told, then we are adopting in all the student colleges. So this is from April 2008 onwards, how we are adopting this online examinations. With regard to e-research, also the network connectivity under various programs we have given to all the zonal research center, and digitalized the university library for retrieving the literature as well as the research abstract. So these facilities also we have created. So thus we have created the paperless communications in all the routine work in TNAU. Then with regard to extension activities, in agriculture extension activities, so the e-connectivity to all the 60 centers of the TNAU, the research center, and also the academic campuses with and the KVKs, so and multimedia and video conferencing facilities we have created. That this will be linked with the 385 blocks and 30 districts, and the exclusive TNA Agritech portal we have created, which will act as a hub center and with a well-structured facilities. The location-specific and need-based contents are being generated and loaded in the TNAU Agritech portal. And TNA Agritech portal will give the content to Agriculture Department, which will act as a hub center for the other block level offices and also other line departments. And this is the TNA Agritech portals we have created, and TNA will connect all the KVKs, research centers, as well as the academic institutions, whereas the remaining centers, the remaining department will be connected, and that is the rest of the work will be done by the Department of Agriculture. And this is the home page of this Agritech portal, and this will give you all the information covering all the field of agriculture and other line departments like horticulture, animal husbandry, fisheries and forestries. And the dynamic market information for agri-horticultural producers through a website and also mobile. So the market analyst from the different markets, they will collect the information on daily basis. Already we have 13 market analysts, they are working in different markets, and they will send the market, that is market price of wholesale as well as the retail prices of various commodities, and they will send to this main center, hub center. And again, every day before 2 p.m. the price details will be made available to the farmers or those who are registered with us. The dynamic market information can be accessed through the TNA website. And the services in the dynamic market informations with regard to the daily retail price as well as the wholesale prices for 153 commodities. So that is available, and 13 market rates we are giving, and with updated photographs, address of the Farmers Association, Federation, regulated market details, and the minimum support price given by the government, best practices adopted by the farmers, all will be given here. Then you have access to the market data, previous data, that is backup facilities is also available in this. Then the dynamic market information, this is the home page of the details. This is with DC Doc, we have collaborated for this program. And it is very difficult for the farmers to access this the computer, so we want to develop the DMI through the mobile as SMS. So all the information for the registered farmers will be given through the mobile. So the development of export system for agriculture and animal enterprises. So there is an export system, we call it as a knowledge-based system. It's a computer program designed to stimulate the problem-solving behavior of an export in a narrow domain and discipline. So here, in the case of agriculture, animal husbandry, in the case of agriculture, we have selected a few crops, that is paddy, sugarcane, ragi, coconut and banana. So the real farm environment, so that all the information pertaining to the real farm situations will be uploaded. And whatever the problem the farmers faces, they give to this main center. So the computer itself will give the solution for the problem faced by the farmers. And this is the home page for that. Then the expert system, already I told you that there is different crops identified, and also the different the animal components we have interested. Disease problem solving in the case of goat, cows, poultry and sheep. The knowledge base is being developed for the above components, and the expert system template is also being initiated. And this is another project, a mobile mass media for sharing agriculture and agro information. This is a NAIP project at ICR. So the activity milestones of this project is dissemination of innovative technologies in print media, and video films on success stories of agriculture technologies, audio capsules in agriculture technologies, harnessing the strength of NAIP supported project and ICT, strengthening of media relations, ICR window showcasing of agriculture technologies, human resource development for creative writing in agriculture, and then finally impact assessment. Then multimedia module on farm technology. So already multimedia interactive CDs are being developed and circulated to all the KVKs for effective transfer of technologies to the farming community. And then M based agro advisory services for connecting the last mile, so that also we have developed. So in this case, the e-agriculture service as well as e-governance, the instant advisory service we can provide through mobile services, and the weather forecast is also being given, pest and disease warning and surveillance, soil health advisory, then market informations, and need-based announcement will also be given to the farmers, and with other e-governance, other details with regard to the information schemes. Then community radio stations, already our ADG has pointed out, this also has been sanctioned to TNAU, and 300 hours of need-based program already we have recorded, and it is ready to for launching. And the domestic and export market intelligence cell, which is also being in operations, this directorate. So to disseminate a timely, comprehensive and current and future price intelligence on agricultural commodities for better scientific decision making by farming community, and also the information is also given to the traders, firms, researchers, as well as suggest policies to the government.